Like a star, a star, a star, a star, like a star, a star, a star, a star, like a star, a star.
What it do? It's Vontae, more Vontae, and we're here back again with another. So, and that. All right. What's up, YouTube? It's Azzy. Today, come on, swing it in. Today we about to be putting on some mods. We got little mirrors. Took this off a junkyard car. I don't know if it worked though. So we about to see if that shit work. We got some sequential lights we about to replace this shit with, and then we got the little covers. Order that motherfucker. Then we got a little bit of rain guards. I do, but I don't know what I'm doing. So we about to step by step. I already did this one. I already took this one off and cleaned it. Had spiders and shit in that. I don't know about that. So first, the fuck? What the fuck? All right, look at this shit. Look how dirty this shit is, boy. Look, your grandma's underneath her couch right now. But shit. First, with these, got pry that off. Now where my tools at, bruh? Where my tools at, bruh? My tools at, bruh? Got a bag of tools poking through that shit. I don't know how this sound. Just got a new mic. Don't know how it sound. Let me know. Cause I don't want to record this motherfucker. Cause if I got to, yeah, I ain't gonna see nothing, bro. I swear to God. Damn. The bag of tools ain't bag of tooling. So you know what we about to really do? Hold on. I ain't got the metal one. So we got to make this work. We gonna make this work. I ain't finna hold you. This might take like 30 minutes just to pry this shit off, bro. Damn. Yeah. We're gonna do, yeah. It's about to get wicked in this bit. We about to get wicked in this bit. The bag of tools ain't bag of tooling, bro. Oh God. So we got it off, and like I said, underneath your grandma's couch. Look at the little spider web and all that.
I ain't gonna lie, we could have easily put tape on this part and we could sprayed it off with water.
I'm not spraying that because it got like a whole motor and shit inside of it. Alright, so if you don't know, these are the heated mirrors. They fold and all that. Had to get it, put it on the 2008 Nissan Altima Coupe. I don't give a fuck what any of y'all gotta say about the car, cause it's my shit. We just gonna wipe the bit down. Look at that. Look. We ain't need no water. We don't even need no water.
Oh, do you have any like spray this off it?
Motherfucker, who you think I am? Handy Manny?
I thought you had that. You have
I'm not saying that.
Shit, your mom had iced out.
Yeah, cause she smart. She smart. But this shit dirty as hell.
WD-40 or something like
That's
that. Spray and go.
We got WD-40, but I don't like they have a whole family of spiders nested in this mud.
They were living in that motherfucker.
They was warm. They was warm. You heard what I said. Heated mirror.
It wasn't like party hitting the damn cha-cha slide.
It was over there dug in that mud. But actually, I don't know how clean it's gonna get, but that's the best it's gonna get. So, what you about to do? Oh, that motherfucker, man. We don't care about those. We got the new black ones. We got the black on black. Where's my other one?
It's over there.
I'm about to say, you be touching shit. About to say, boy. I was about to say. Don't let me get started. All right. Come over here. Which one is this one? This one gonna be over there. So, what we gonna need? We're gonna be like this. So first off, come over here. We gonna plug this in. First off, I don't know. My hands might be a little ashy. Don't mind it, bro. Don't mind it, bro.
I can't wait to eat.
Man, so you plug this in first.
Oh shit. Rain dogs.
So boom, plugged in. See how that fit? Pretty sure it's plugged in. Should be plugged in. Feel like it's plugged in. Is it plugged in? It's plugged in. All right. Don't drop, boy. I'll fold your ass, boy. All right. So once you plug this in, line it up, lined up, like plug and play. You gotta pop it in. Pop it in first. Hold on. I don't know which part I'm supposed to. I don't know which part I want to pop in first though. Hold on. This shit look bougie. This shit kind of thick. Oh, I'm dumb. You gotta make sure it's lined up.
Bro, I thought you said that shit don't fit, bro. I was gonna be like, bro.
Nah, cause I didn't line it up correctly. That's my fault. That's my fault. So then, make sure it's tucked. Go in. Go in, twin. Go in. It's the right one. Ooh. Ooh, woo, woo.
You feel me? That's big. Chill, bro. It's dirty right now. You should like somebody kind of like shit it like that.
Somebody shitted on your. Somebody shitted on your car, bro. It's crazy. I'm about to make so much jump cuts. The motherfucker, I'm doing this shit off of common sense. I ain't watching no video on it, beat. Honey, buddy. I know you gotta be lined up for Showski. The fuck? That's what I'm saying. I don't even know how to slide this bitch in for real.
I wish my fucking spark plug was there. I would get that shit on over here.
Hold on, be back when I slide this motherfucker in, bro. Damn. These motherfuckers is fucking with me, bro. So we got the first one in, bro. When I mean we, I mean the boys got it in, cause motherfucker, I couldn't figure this shit out. Now I'm over here struggling with a plug and play, cause the plug don't want to play, and the play don't want to plug. So I'm over here seeing crisscross applesauce like a toddler with ashy hands, because I'm trying to get the You're blocking my sunlight, nigga. Now I don't know, cause like I did drop these like 3 seconds before we started the video, bro.
What the fuck? We confessing now?
I am confessing. I'm sorry, mama.
See that the plug and play was going on. The plug and play the alternator, right? So what he's doing wrong is he's not really matching up the plug and play alternator.
Don't try to shove it in and you fuck up the wire, fuck boy. Look at the holes. Match up the hole. You don't even can't find the hole. You can't even find the hole. So Malachi broke my mic. So we had to go to the garage. Motherfuckers. Like niggas
I'm a klutz, bro.
Niggas always like touching shit, man. But we got the lights in. It took us like 40 minutes. It's already nighttime outside. Don't turn the camera. Then you turn the camera. Oh shit.
Turns the camera.
So we got them in. Like I said, don't know if they work, but we're gonna have to pop these in. Which that might take another 40 minutes to 30. Good. This part's out. So we got to re-pop it out. I don't know what you go. You got to work your magic. Cameraman's gonna have to work his magic, so we got to hold on. I gotta edit a 30-hour video.
Here. Oh wow. This one. Lighting.
Oh, we're good. Come on. Wind is winding. Air is airing.
Heat, not heating.
At all.
Oh, we got a new guest in the building.
New?
Oh yeah, we're good.
He wasn't here when we started.
New to the video, new to the channel? I don't think so.
To this channel, it's a different channel.
Oh,
Don't let
maybe then.
Yeah. So, that shit is still blowing me. Really just broke up $60. What the
That
heck?
man really going through it on the inside.
Literally. I was like, I just got out so happy. And I'm like, this shit sounds
The way
good.
he was in the group chat, just waiting for that bitch to come, bro.
Oh
Like,
my gosh,
he waited like.
He was waiting for the mirrors. The mic came in one day, overnight. The mic came one day.
Come here. Come on, man. Come on, Mr. Basketball Boy. All right, so we got to remove the whole door. Hate it here.
Oh, you gotta do that again?
Yeah, we got to remove the whole door again. Whole door.
This one's not adding up. This one's not in right.
Well, no, that one's in right, but this one.
All right, so while he fixes that, I'm gonna need a screwdriver. So hold on. First thing first, I'm the realest. All right, so we got pop this one for go.
This one right now is at like 213.
I like every video, but I need to repost the second one. I think I repost. I think I reposted the channel.
Yeah, I had texted you.
I was certain what they look like.
So you gotta replace this part too.
Yeah,
take this part out.
Oh, by the way, he got these right there. Little Nissan glowing lights. Y'all see
It's better
that?
than nighttime. Nighttime is the right time. Don't mind.
Did you get them off eBay?
Amazon. Yep, Amazon.
Oh my god.
Boom.
If you need any door work, call this man right here.
Door work is crazy. Door work is really. Door work is really crazy.
Door jobs.
And
Yeah, I
door
get that.
test.
Yeah, I get that. 10.
Wait, what was the interior on that car?
What car?
The one that is a pull apart.
Oh, the interior was 10. 10 is like the basic model. That 10 millimeters. You got 10 millimeters. Oh.
What?
Indubitably, my late. I forgot you took up this part too.
The window. Fuck you up.
Man. Boom. Okay. There's another one in the door. Boom. Get here. Pull off that part. Please, back your long ass toes up. Because if you break something from my door, I swear to God.
What was that?
Your big toe ass.
Bruh.
Oh my god.
Bruh.
Again. Bro, move back.
Bruh.
You're a cameraman, bro.
I'm trying to
You just
record.
broke something to my door. Again. Now I'm
You
finna
gotta
break
pay
it.
more attention.
Bro, I didn't think it would be right under
Beat
me.
his ass.
I'm trying to record a video.
He looks down slowly. Nigga, watch your foot.
Before you
Where'd
take
that
a
go
step,
to?
look down.
I went to his door.
Black people. So.
I'm going bye-bye.
Oh, in with the old, out with the old, in with the new. Damn. Cameraman, can you pass that? That's the best you can do. Keep this by me. Or Naya. It doesn't matter. Just somebody, please. I have to suplex it like it was on this fine evening. Snuggalicious.
When you get done, I'm gonna take a picture and show my dad so he can be like, "Aw, I'm so proud."
Thank you, Father. So we're gonna have to put these bolts back in. Oh God. Got all those. Click it in. Let me see something real quick. But you gotta see the speakers, bro. You need to see the speakers. Replace them bitches with the kickers.
Then you should have did a video on that.
Man, that was a whole nother situation that was tiring as hell.
Bro, the lights, I remember you doing the lights.
Bro, headlights with them bitches in dead rain. Like,
Oh yeah.
ground wet.
Don't even remind me of that. That's really tough.
Bro, every time Azzy does something, the weather conditions are crazy.
Let's hope that when y'all help with my headlights, we get sun.
Let's hope when they help you with shit that they don't leave you or just watch you in the rain.
I didn't leave him on purpose.
But if y'all leave me,
He fucking. Alright, so even if I understand the situation where you had to leave, right? Boom. This motherfucker helping me with my car and then starts working on his shit in the rain.
Always do that.
He's like, man, I might replace this right here. You see the carbonator? It's connected to the laundromator. I'm like, bro.
Whole time, the video, the thing we're here for, everything, that was for me. So what are you talking about?
I'm like, bro. He said, yeah, I'll help you. 3 minutes later, man, bro, I want to replace this, bro. Make sure everything popped in.
Why would you do that?
In the middle of the video is crazy, just saying my address. Blackie being black, bro.
It's okay, I feel your pain. I hate editing and having to find stuff I know I have to cut out.
Man, you be having a good clean part. Then you go and you forget. You be like, oh shit. The motherfucker just said my address.
Ooh, that's nice.
Let me see that again.
Yeah, with the new.
Don't play with him. Don't play with him.
Okay, don't play with him.
Yo.
You know one of them.
Hold on, turn them headlights. Turn them headlights. I don't know what to say.
We'll do it later.
Oh, no way. The windshield wipers came on.
Oh, we doing it later. I'm definitely getting my camera.
So,
That's on there, y'all. Y'all see.
It's up and it's stuck.
so we be back. Got to do the other side. Whatever we did on this side, we got to do on the other side. Yeah, we definitely gonna have to come back with this one. We have to come back with it.
All right, guys. See you guys in a little bit.
Bro, every time I pop up this one, this pop.
It's nice.
The front lights on?
Yeah.
Hey, this shit was fucking forever. That shit took forever. Now I'm gonna destroy a few pieces. But shit. Let me talk to my niggas. Hold on. Shit done. We did a good job. I like the way it looked. But Malachi didn't destroy a few pieces and shit. I mean, no, cause this little process was it wasn't that bad. It wasn't difficult. It's gonna be like probably a little while before I put a new mod on. I'm probably gonna put the rain guards on, but I don't need to record that shit. But this shit look nice. This shit look nice. This shit look nice. Okay, hold on. Okay, yeah, I like that. I like that. Get in with me. Do our own mods around here. Then. Got a little sequential then. But I'm gonna get back with y'all in a little bit. Probably gonna put these rain guards on. Most likely. Yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all. So it's a whole different day. I'll put the rain guards on. Look pretty nice. Let me show from the front. Rain guards look nice. Car looking nice. We got some more stuff coming up in the future. Look at that. Whew. I love that. Hold on. But this is the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Leave a comment. And go tune into my other channels. I did do my muffler delete on my other channel. But it was like a little vlog. But everything car related is going to be on this channel. It's my car channel. And I got some more stuff planned in the future. I really hope y'all enjoyed. But go follow the socials in the description too. Tell me what y'all want to see next. Even on my other channels. But I'll see y'all in the next one.